Hello, today we are going to look at this head torch, old Alpkit head torch. I can't remember the name of it, the model, but I've had this since, what was the date on it? 2017, and it doesn't work anymore. So when you plug it in to charge it, light comes on to say it's charging, and no matter how long you charge it for, the light doesn't turn on. So the back of the battery pack here, 2 Phillips screws, hopefully, yeah, we can get into the battery pack. And already that battery looks like it's bulged up and has expanded. Yeah. And already you can see in there, that looks like it should be connected into that. Yeah, see at this end of the circuit board is connected, this end isn't. Yeah, you can see where the cable was corroded. That connects the battery to the little PCB there. So I think I'm going to try and find a battery that will fit that, and I should be able to just solder the wires back together and get it working. I'll go and have a look on Amazon and see what I can find. So welcome back to this Alpkit head torch. I did search for this battery number, the PL103040. It's 3.7 volt, 1200 milliamp, and you can get them. See, 103040, 3.7 volts, 1200 milliamps. This cost about £5 or £6 delivered. And as you can see, PCB is in there, wires ready to solder on. So I'll get some tools together and get on with it. My first plan was to cut these wires and solder the new ones onto them wires, but there are 4 little Phillips head screws in here. I wonder if I can solder the wires directly into this circuit board. Which would be a neater solution if this case comes apart without breaking it. That's better. the screw down. It looks like there has been some water in this. Just a little bit of water staining around the outside. But I'll desolder them 2 wires. See where we get. Well, that was a bit fiddly, but I think the battery's connected now. Let's plug the charger in. It's doing something. Right, I'll leave that to charge up for a minute and see what happens. Right, give it a bit of a charge and we now have working light. Put this back. Yeah. Excellent. I can't remember how to use it, but oh yeah. It's got a motion sensor on it, so you can turn it off just waving your hand in front of it. Excellent. So for the sake of a £5 battery, I've now saved a 20 or 30 quid head torch, however much it was back in the day. But, right, I'll chuck this back together off camera and that'll be that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you. There you have it, all rebuilt. Charging up, you won't even know. Works perfectly.